Jane Cahurst, and today I will be reading for Gloria in Boeing Boeing. What are you doing with my bag?
What?
What are you doing with my bag?
Me?
Yes, you.
Why on earth would you ask me that?
Because I see you clutching it.
Me? So I am. I'm clutching it.
There's no money in there. I pay everything by check. There's a lipstick, a Parker pen, a few little personal things for the night. That's all. You can believe me.
But of course I believe you.
Well then, put it down.
What? Oh, of course. I'm still clutching it. Oh, now I remember. You left it on the chair and I just came along and I was going to sit down and I thought, hold on, Robert. Don't sit on her bag. So I picked it up. And here I was clutching it. It's stupid, really. You don't really think it was going to go through your bag, do you?
No. Just kidding. Drink.
Okay.
Scotch.
Thanks.
So, have you thought about it?
About what?
What I was saying. About women giving the orders.
Oh, yes. Yes, I agree.
So you've changed your mind.
I have.
For things to go smoothly, the woman has to give the orders. Bernard agrees.
Well, there we are then. Everything's perfect.
And so, if I wanted to make myself at home in my own bedroom, I would make myself at home.
Yes, yes. Right? Why wouldn't you?
And without waiting for Bernard to get back.
No, make yourself at home.
What's this Lufthansa bag doing here?
That bag? It's mine.
Oh?
Yeah, I used to keep my little things for the night in it. My pajamas, my toothbrush, spare pair of socks, toothpaste, shaving brush, you know.
And whose are these?
Those are mine.
Yours?
Yep, those are mine.
Oh. Oh. I see. You're a very interesting sort of guy, aren't you? Well, I can see you're all settled into my room, and Bernard did give it to you, so I'll let you stay there.
Well, that's not necessary.
You know, I'm even going to give you a TWA bag to put your little things in.
That's very kind of you, Gloria, but mine will do me for a while yet.
Oh, there's no way you're having a bag from a German company. Look at ours. There's a little pocket inside with a zipper. It's really handy.
That is really handy.
What's yours like inside?
Oh, mine's got some pockets. This sort of pocket, that sort of pocket, and those sorts of pockets. It's full of pockets. Stuffed with pockets. It's made of pockets. It's a pocket bag.
My dear Robert. It would make me very happy if you would accept this bag as a gift.
Well, if it'll make you happy.
That's right. A man must never refuse a present from a woman like me.
Oh, really? Why's that?
Oh, it's very rare for women like me to give presents. But you should know when I want to go in my own bedroom, so you're not a baby. You're just altogether different, aren't ya?
Yes, I am.
You know, people wonder why America is such a great country.
Yes, people do wonder.
Well, people don't realize that most American men stay babies all their lives.
As long as that?
The Kinsey report proved it.
Did it?
The report proved, in America, the woman is usually stronger than the man because he always says yes to her. And so by demanding more every day, she can make the man work his way to total exhaustion.
Men don't complain?
Oh, they complain. But as soon as he stops saying yes or becomes too exhausted, we're off to Reno. Nowadays, women can get a divorce in 6 weeks for mental cruelty. And that means alimony.
What happens to the men if they don't pay?
Jail.
Jail?
So, to avoid going to jail, they have to pay up. And to pay up, they have to work. They have to produce. And that ensures a stable economy. And that is why America is such a great country.
Poor Bernard.
Why?
You're going to marry him.
I can't.
Why not?
We'd have to live in Paris, and the women here don't have the same setup. No, I'll just have to find someone back home. Economics, you see. I always loved Bernard.
So you'll marry a guy but not necessarily love him?
How could I? How could you love a man who spends his whole life working?
It's not impossible.
Oh. Say that again.
What?
It's not impossible.
Why?
Your lips are just so cute when you say that.
Really?
Truly. Say it again.
What was it again?
It's not impossible.
It's not impossible.
Oh, your mouth really is a gorgeous shape.
Really?
Yes. Say it again.
Again?
Yes. Please. For me.
It's not impossible.
Oh, there they go again. It's like a tiny flower opening.
You're kind of embarrassing me.
No. No. Honestly. Say, have you ever kissed a woman from New York?
Nope. Nope. In Wisconsin, the opportunity never really came up.
Oh, that's a great shame. We New Yorkers are like the French, really. Very rational about love.
Really?
Oh, yes.